Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the financial sector ETF? This is XLF, and XLF is showing a ton of relative strength right now as it is above the 8-day, 21-day, and 50-day moving average, and we have the general stock market extremely weak and vulnerable under its 50-day moving average. We have the QQQ making a new low for the quarter, and IWM hanging on by a thread right near its 50-day moving average. And so it's interesting to see the banking sector hold up really nicely here. Now, I'll be looking at a handful of banks that I think could be actionable tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you want to see that list, be sure that you're a member. Click subscribe at Stock Market Mentor. Take a trial. Hopefully I'll see you there. But this is a sector that I think we should absolutely pay attention to as it's building a beautiful cup with handle pattern. We have a deep cup here. It's been cupping for most of 2026 and now handling out near some resistance from early January. And so I certainly want to watch to make sure that this holds above its 21-day exponential period moving average and can potentially break out of this consolidation pattern that it's in just under some near-term resistance at $57. And so I certainly would consider buying XLF close to the 8-day exponential with the stop at the 21-day, and then add if it can get above and stay above $57. And so that's my trade that I'm watching to play out next week on XLF. And it's just one of many that we're paying attention to right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.